Hi Rohit,
Hi.
could you please give an introduction about yourself?
Yeah, sure, brother. Hi, people. I'm Rohit. I'm from Bangalore. Right now, I've been working with Mindtree Technologies, and previously I started my career with NIT Technologies Limited, and now I'm in Mindtree. So it's been almost 3 years of IT experience till date, and these 3 years, I can say one thing, that it's been a lot of challenges which I've faced, and I was very successful in facing all these challenges. Of course, when I say challenges, there of course would be ups and downs and all those things. That's anyways always there in an IT industry. So that's all to say about my professional experience. So
So Rohit, you were telling you have about 3 years of experience.
yes.
So till now, under how many managers have you worked?
Yeah, actually in these 3 years I've been working with 3 different projects altogether, and the environment in these 3 projects were altogether different. You just can't compare it basically. And as I said, I've been working in 3 different projects, so of course there would be 3 different project managers as well. So basically I've been working under 3 different project managers till date.
So
That's it.
how has been your experience with those 3 managers?
Experience with project managers, as all of you know, people have, as far as I am concerned, I have a very good experience as well as a bitter experience with project managers, but more or less the ratio is around 80 to 20. 80 is a good experience and 20 is a very bitter experience. Of course there should be a bitter experience with project managers as well, otherwise you won't understand the IT industry how it is. So that's all. So the thing is, bitter experience makes you to understand the IT industry much better. That's what I can say.
So the figures actually shows that you are more optimistic. So, so I would be curious to know the happy moments that you had with your managers,
Yeah,
the
sure.
80% of your good times.
See, the few incidents are something like, there was a situation where no one was ready to take up the task. Okay, and I told my project manager that I would be able to do that, even though it was a very challenging one, and I did it. And upon that, whatever any challenging task would come, he used to tell, yes, Rohit is the person, he can handle it, just give it to him. That was the very, no, the bonding was like that, that any challenging task that would come, he would say, yes, Rohit is the person and he would be able to do it, just pass it on to him. Without any thought, he would just say that. I feel that was one of the, no, of course anybody would like that, to have such a rapport with a project manager at least. And other thing was that, even though they were very seniors in my module, he suggested my name for a presentation which I have to give on site basically. And I was really shocked for that when he told, yes Rohit, you are the person who's going to give a presentation of this module, even though they were 3-4 years experience than me, elder senior persons than me in the project. And he just nominated me and saying that you are the one who is going to give the presentations to the client. I was really shocked. Even that was one of the finest moments in the working under a project manager.
I guess that's a really pleasant experience, and
Yes, definitely.
I congratulate you for that.
Thank you.
And coming to that rest 20%, what would you like to say?
See, rest 20%, obviously everybody would have faced whenever we don't meet up project deadlines. Okay, even though how friendly we are, they don't see that, right? They just throw all the things over there. Hey, why is this not happening? They just get onto our head, they just pull our hairs. Hope my hairs are intact now. I don't know how I just faced that situation, but it was just once in a while that not even once in a while, it was just once when we faced that situation, and it was like totally screwing up. He was screwing up all the team members, and that was only one situation where we couldn't meet the deadline and we just got a blast from him. That's it. Apart from that, there's nothing else.
Okay. And what would be your ideal manager?
Okay. See, manager is a person basically who manages the resources and expenditure. That's what they say. Saying this, I would like to share a joke with you all. Okay. Basically, this is just out of the box joke. Don't take it personally if managers are saying this. Okay, there's a heated argument between the manager and the team lead. Okay, the manager just shouts at team lead saying that, see, this work is not done, this work is not done, they're just 1 month ahead for the delivery, this much work should be done, this much work should be done. What are you doing? Take how many ever resources you want, take 10, take 9, how many ever resources you want to take. The TL gets really frustrated. He just says one dialogue to the PM. He says, okay sir, I'll do that, I'll give you 9 moments. Can you deliver a baby in 1 month? He just asked that question to project manager, and project manager has no words. So that's what. Basically, this tells us that project manager should be very efficient in managing the resources, okay, and also utilizing the resources under him. Not only saying that he should achieve the objectives of his department, he should just see the roles and responsibilities of each and every person who is working under him, give an equal opportunity, and see to it that keeps everybody happy and also achieves the organization goal. That's it.
Suggestion to one of the peers who would be watching this video.
Yeah, I have basically 3 suggestions to basically all my friends who are working under the manager. Okay, the first one would be never ever predict your manager. Okay, today he might be very friendly with you. If you again think tomorrow he'll be friendly with you, you are the biggest fool. Never ever predict your manager's mood. That's it. That's the first point. Second point is, please behave professionally in all situations, no matter what. Even if he screws you, please behave professionally. That's it. That's the second point. And third point would be, never ever blame your performance for your bad manager which you have. That is the third one is the most important point, that you should do your best to the whatever job you have been assigned, and never ever blame that because you have got a bad manager you were not able to do that. So basically these 3 are the key points which I would like all my peers to keep in mind.
Thanks a lot, Rohit. Thanks for your thanks for sharing all your views and information with us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. All the best for everyone.
Be what you wanna be, taking things the way they come. Nothing is as nice as finding paradise and sitting in the summer sun.